Hello, everybody. This is Nancy. I'm just going to go over what you're going to do this week. Week 2 is a big week, almost our middle of our course, if you can believe that. So I left this message and I want to reiterate that I really enjoyed reading your discussion boards. I thought the level of conversation was wonderful. You're all you've made some great choices and you responded so well to each other. It was very impressive and keep that up. That was great. All right, so this week you are going to, I have revised the schedule and the syllabus so that you have a little less work this week. I took away the parts of chapter 2 that we're going to go forward into, just because you have the chapters 1.6 through 1.10. You have the inquisitives. There's 2 lecture videos to watch about those chapters. There's a discussion board. There's a paper or a writing assignment. And then there is a test this week, which I'll talk about in a second. So I have made a suggestion for you here. But again, it's always a suggestion. You are online, you are managing your own time, but if you find that helpful, I'm glad to help. All right, so I've also put all of the information on this Prezi here that you can follow through, and it shows all the little parts. So the readings and quizzes, the video lectures are here, the formal analysis writing assignment, all the guideline is here, the discussion question is here as well as on the discussion board, and the section test, I'm just going to show you because this is a newer thing for us. This is just a study guide that shows you all of the terms and things that we did with the terms. This is section 1 through 1.5, you can see, and then 1.6 through 1.10. All the things in red are the terms, and the things in black are the things we did with those terms. All right, so that's your guideline for things you need to know on the test. So go through your book and make sure you know those things. It's very odd to have a test online because obviously you're home with your textbook and your computers and your phones. So I'm just going to put it out there that I'd like you not to cheat. However, the test is not very cheat friendly. Um, most of it is application of these terms, and it's not things that you'll find in the book. It might be similar things that are in the book, or maybe same artists, but you won't be able to look at your chapter and find exactly what it is. For instance, on focal point, in the slide lecture, I talk about a certain painting where all the diagonals lead to one thing. All right, so that won't be the painting on the test. If it's a focal point, it'll be a different painting with a different focal point, meaning you will have to know what a focal point is and how to find it in a work of art. Not something you look up in the book, something that you will know. All right, so it is mostly a visual test. There are some true false or matching, but there are images throughout the test that you will apply these concepts to. So make sure you know all of these things. All right, and then the test will be loaded on like available to you on Thursday, and you'll have until Sunday to take it, but not to finish it. And that means it is a timed test that once you start it, you have to finish it. So don't start it in your car and then get out and go to a store or something. You know, like you need to be sitting down, taking the exam and answering the questions, and there's no going back. So that just has to be the nature of the thing. So hopefully it goes well. Just study for it and you'll do fine. These things here, like the formal analysis writing assignment, there's like 5 slides there. Do yourself a favor and just go to the week module and click that week here so you can find the things without going through it. So there, they all have the links right there. So you don't have to, don't ask me why I have 2 of some, I'll delete those. you don't have to go through the Prezi. The Prezi is just a neat package way of keeping everything in one place in case you forget what you're doing. All right, as always, email if you have any questions. Thank you.